I'd like to say thank you to President Ivey and the athletic director, Mr. Brian Haney at the university, for giving me this honor and privilege to speak here today. And also, I would like to send a shout out to Rose Davidson, board of VANSA, and Bob Prince, the CEO of the hardest working men in show business. And also like to acknowledge my fellow athletes who are all back here, Kenny Fells, Mr. Smith, there, Steve Johnson, Brian, Richard, and Richard there. And anyone who is in the audience who is not here standing with us. I cannot pretend today to speak for all of the black athletes who have come to Acadia University. Each of them has his or her own story in terms of why they came here, how they got here. But indeed, each of them have a story of the time period that they came, of their trials and tribulations, and hopefully they would tell a story of their successes and many memories that they shared here. In that vein, when I look at my successes, I see them as the 2 degrees I received here, my BA and BEd, and I also see them as the national championship team, which I was a part of the BHAM. In terms of my fond memories, I remember the many hours I spent in fellowship with my teammates, whether it was on campus, whether it was on the road, or whether it was just here playing games. And as well, when my mother, who went to the segregated schools here in Nova Scotia, was not able to obtain much education, came here for the first time and sat right there in the seat. I had got fouled, and I was on the foul line, it was quiet and packed, and then she yelled out, "Make the shot, son! Make the shot!" I remember that very much as one of my fond memories here. Another fond memory I remember is carrying the national championship trophy on Wolfville had the largest fire department in the world per capita. And we were met when we came back with the CIA trophy. It was cold out, wet, had the trophy up, and it was small, and all I was thinking is that I was going to have to pay for this thing. But one of the other fellows caught it as we came into we were greeted by all the new students who were here. And I would just like to say that I'm a better human being for coming to university and being able to share with the community here in the Valley. One of my fondest memories when I came here was leaving the campus and going to Kentville to the Shire Town. And that's before a lot of people started here, but those who remember that, where we would interact with people from the Valley here as well. We never got in trouble for that, but that was there. Great experience. Can't say enough about 5 of the best years of my life, shaping my life to who I am today. So proud to come here today. I have a nephew on one team, on the opposing team. And seeing East Brown today, academically and athletically being successful, says a lot for that contribution. I would just like to say on that note that I'm proud of the university and VANSA for using African Heritage Month as an opportunity, which is a time for learning, recognition, and celebration in order to have this event. And again, I'm just going to say, stand up and cheer. How to go at that? X-Men.